Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. Thank you for asking.
It's a nice day today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The sun is shining and it's not too hot. I like this weather.
Me too. It's perfect for a walk in the park. Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I do. But sometimes I like rainy days too. I like to stay inside and drink tea when it rains. What about you?
I prefer sunny days, but I don't mind the rain. Snow is my favorite, though.
Oh, snow is beautiful, but it is very cold.
Yes, it is. By the way, what do you do for work?
I work as a nurse in a hospital. I take care of patients and help doctors. It is a busy job, but I love it.
Wow, that is an important job. It must be very hard sometimes.
Yes, it can be difficult, but it is also very rewarding. I like helping people. What about you? What do you do?
I work as a chef. I cook food in a restaurant.
Oh, that sounds fun. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking. I enjoy making delicious meals for people.
That's great. What kind of food do you cook?
I cook many kinds of food, but I like making Italian dishes the most.
That sounds delicious. Maybe I will come to your restaurant one day.
That would be great. It was nice talking to you.
Yes, it was nice talking to you too. Have a great day.
You too. See you next time.